Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to set up 18-month auto-delete for Google Gemini activity. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Gemini, open the app, and after that, you have just to go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click on Gemini Apps Activity. And after that, go and click on Deleting Activity older than 3 months. And go and click on it and change it to 18 months. Click Next. And it will tell you that it will auto-delete any activity that is older than 18 months. Just you have to click Confirm and click Done. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.